Now we'll discuss regarding dower as a debt and its nature and enforcement. It has been seen that once the dower is confirmed, it becomes vested in the wife. She can recover it from the husband. The amount of the dower is like any other actionable claim and may be recovered as such or assigned as such. In its nature, it is a debt, but it is not a secured debt. It is like any other unsecured debt, and she must stand in the queue along with other creditors of the husband. The only difference that the Muslim lawgivers recognize between the debt and other debts is this, that if the wife is in possession of her husband's property, she can retain possession till her dower debt is paid. Thus, the matter may be examined from two angles. One is dower as a debt, and the second one, right of retention of possession of the husband's property. So, when dower as a debt is an unsecured debt which the wife or widow or divorcee can recover from her husband when alive or from his estate when dead. Not merely the widow has the right to recover the dower debt, but on her death, her legal heirs too can recover it. Similarly, the dower debt can be recovered not only from the husband but also after his death from his legal heirs. It has already been stated that when the prompt dower is not paid, the wife can refuse conjugal rights to the husband, and non-payment of the prompt dower is a firm defense against the husband's suit for restitution of conjugal rights. The wife, not merely on account of non-payment of the dower, the wife is, if living separately from her husband, is bound to maintain her. Further, if the wife is minor, then the guardian may refuse to allow the husband to take her to the matrimonial home till the dower is paid. The wife can also file a suit against the husband for the recovery of her dower debt. So, in the important leading case relating to dower debt, that is Kapoor Chand versus Kadar-unnissa in 1950, the Supreme Court laid down the following three propositions. One is the widow is like any other creditor of the husband and cannot therefore claim any priority for the debt over other creditors. And the second proposition by the Supreme Court is that the widow's claim for dower debt has priority over the claim of legal heirs, but it seems if she omits to put up her claim for dower and allows a person to take the amount of his legacy from the estate of the deceased husband, she cannot afterwards retract her assent. And the third proposition by Supreme Court is that the legal heirs of the deceased husband are not personally liable for the dower debt of the widow. The amount can be realized relatively from their share in the estate. So, these three propositions were laid down by the Supreme Court regarding the very particular concept of dower debt and how dower debt is an unsecured debt and what is the very importance of dower debt regarding all other debts of the husband and what is the very position of dower debt in regards to all other debts of the husband and how she is entitled to claim the same from in comparison to other debts and in respective to that she has also a right to file a suit against the husband for recovery of her dower debt.